Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're finally getting some more information on the next Call of Duty that we were supposed to get next year, but we're getting this year anyways, because they lied. Modern Warfare 3. Now, we got quite a bit of information to go through. Certain things I'm just going to leave up for you, the viewers, to check out. I'll leave the source material in the description, but let's take a look at what's going on here. Now, this news comes via Deserto. You can see right there that is the new Modern Warfare logo. They're going with the red. But let's check out what they got here. We got quite a bit to go through. What's going on with Warzone maps, release dates, and everything else. So, starting off, COD 2023 leaks have started coming in thick and fast. Thick. And now it's been made official. Call of Duty players will be experiencing a new version of Modern Warfare 3 this year, with more information coming out as the launch date fast approaches. Here's everything we know about this year's COD title. So here's what we're going to go through. Yes, there's a release date. We already saw the logo, the developers, and what's going on with Warzone. Take note, I think some of these things are speculation. I don't think anything is 100, or I would say 1 billion%, as Dr. Stone says. But take it for as a grain of salt. But let's see what they have. Release date. It's officially launching on November 10th, 2023. That is confirmed by Activision on August 8th. And this aligns, they said, with the usual time frame of the launches. Yes, it does. They released, what is this? I listened to 7 seconds of that. This is like a little teaser, so let's listen.
Cutting the heads off snakes. He's not new.
Captain Price, we all love him. He's a favorite of mine. Yeah, that's what you expect from a teaser, November 10th. I just, they need to fix things for MW2 right now. I can't, the battle pass, when I try to use a token, still errors out for me and doesn't register until I restart the game. It's something trivial like that, and we're going to get a third one already this year. Anyways, I digress. Who is developing? Well, Sledgehammer Games is. And Sledgehammer was the ones that also did Vanguard, which, I mean, I played quite a bit of the multiplayer on Vanguard. I just couldn't, I couldn't get into the single player. I tried. I played for an hour of it. Whatever. If you liked Vanguard, that's fine. Vanguard just bought us time. But the big question is what's going to happen to Warzone. Thus far, there has been no official confirmation on what exactly will happen with Warzone when Modern Warfare 3 launches. I think they're going to play this one close to the chest. As mentioned in the original leaks, Modern Warfare 3 is apparently going to bring a whole new map to Warzone as well, or just bring back Verdansk, depending on where you're from in the country. I'm from Chicago, so Verdansk. We pronounce our vowels with an Oz. They're like my hot dogs and hockey. They state that Las Almas, the location for Modern Warfare 2 campaign, will feature as the BR's new large-scale map, slated to launch at the start of Season 1 in December of 2023. There's kind of a rough idea of the map. Again, links will be in the description for you guys to check this out in more in-depth. And what's going to happen to the multiplayer features, which is honestly more important to me because I do enjoy Modern Warfare 2's multiplayer stuff. That's all I generally play. So, according to the reports that surfaced July 17th, Modern Warfare 3 will offer an experience closer to the earlier titles. This theory is based on leaked images that are believed to have come from an alpha build of this year's Call of Duty. Two big features that contribute towards this are the return of red dots on the minimap and a traditional perk system. Enemy players will show up on the minimap when firing unsuppressed guns, and perks won't have to be earned as the game progresses. Now, Modern Warfare 3 perks will be categorized by gear and 4 slots: helmet, vest, gloves, and boots. Which gear you use will determine which perks you have access to. The presentation may be different, but if reports are correct, then this should function similarly to the perk system seen in most Call of Duty entries. You may be a fan of that, you may be not. I don't know. You know, I got late into the series. I got into Modern Warfare 2019. I missed that game. I loved the maps on there. Like, I loved the weapons. It was great. But moving on. Modern Warfare 3, zombies. There will apparently be a zombies mode in MW3. They're dubbing it as Outbreak 2.0. I can't imagine them. They know that this is a staple in the series, so I couldn't imagine them not having zombies. It would just be kind of weird and feel a bit incomplete in my personal opinion. So here are the key dates. Key dates according to the original leak, with only the date of release confirmed thus far. Beta weekend, PlayStation 4 and 5, October 6th, 2023 through October 10th. Beta weekend for everything else, same PS4, PS5, Xbox One, PC, October 12th through the 16th. Campaign early access is as early as November 2nd, and the full release for November 10th. And then they're going to have a Season 1 launch with a new Warzone map December 5th, 5 days before my birthday. Lucky me, bring back for Danks. So apparently now there's going to be a special reveal date, or like a reveal event within MW2. And Activision confirmed that an in-game reveal event will occur August 17th. In the teaser trailer, there appears to be some sort of message on the envelope. We will provide an update when the best COD community detectives uncover more secrets about the upcoming event. So it's fast approaching, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know how you feel about this, but I really I'm getting tired. This is FIFA. This is NBA 2K. This is a joke, in my opinion. I didn't spend any money on MW2 aside from leftover COD points that I had from previous purchases in 2019. It's frustrating. I think there's a lot of things that they really should do and work on with MW2 right now. But they want to go ahead and milk this cow for all it's worth, for all that buttermilk, baby. So I'm really indifferent about it. I do like the game. I really enjoy the multiplayer aspect of it, grinding for camos and unlocking weapons, etc., etc. So how do you feel about this? I feel like the COD community is starting to really get burnt out of a every year getting a new COD game, when one still needs to be fixed and primed and buffed and be better. They just keep cranking it out. What does Dr. Malcolm say? You pack a label on, you ship it, and you sell it, and you
wrapped it on a plastic lunchbox, and now you're selling it.
Let me know how you feel. Is this a day one purchase? How great do you think the campaign's going to be? Are you tired of this? How much money have you dumped in Modern Warfare 2 right now with the DLCs and et cetera, and the packs and all those things? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe. Trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And with your help, you can do it. Appreciate you guys very much. I'll talk to you soon.